Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to generate AI images using Gemini AI tool. So now here are the some of the images which are all generated by AI. So all these images are AI related images, but it's almost looks like a real images. So as you look at here, so these are all the some of the images I generated using Gemini AI tool. Now here is a dog wearing the headphone. So like that you can generate whatever images so based on your creativity. Now to do this, just head over to the browser and search for gemini.google.com. I have also given the link in the description. So this is previously called as Google Bard. Now it is named as Google Gemini by Google. So it's a new version. So by default it's enabled with the Gemini, and there is also one more mode which is called Gemini Advanced. So if you want a solution for a more highly complex task and more advantages means, then you can subscribe to the Gemini Advanced program. For first 2 months it's free, and after that you need to pay per month 1950 rupees. So in addition to the Google Advanced, you will get a Google One subscription with a 2 GB of storage, and also you will get the other Google One premium benefits. Now in the Google Gemini, so now here you can just type whatever you want. You have to just use the keyword called generate space image. Now just enter the text based on what image you want to generate. So now I entered cat and dog watching movie in smart TV. So once you entered, click on the enter. So now it takes some time to generate image. So if you want a more accurate images means, you can go for Gemini Advanced also. For first 2 months it's free, so you can try that also. So now here is the generated images. So it's almost looks like real. So this is the first one, and here's the second one, and it's the third, and this is the fourth one. So now here is the smart TV, and here's the dog and cat. But dog and cat is not watching the TV, so the dog and cat is actually watching us. So there is some drawbacks in while generating images, but it almost tries to generate image what you search. And also if you want to download the image also, here is the option download full size. So once you download it, you can able to download in full resolution, so that you will get a high resolution images. So here is some images. So all the images you can able to download in high resolution. And if you want to generate more means, click on generate more. Now 2 more images get generated. So here is the 2 more images. So overall you can easily generate AI images by using Google Gemini AI tool. So now here is some more images I generated previously. So like generate real images of men walking in beach side. So here's the image, almost it looks like real. Now here is the generate real images, a dog and cat walking together. So this image comes out really well, and these are also AI generated images. This image is also very real, cat and dog running equally. And here is the image of smartphone found in a forest area. This image is not what I actually expect, but it's almost okay. And here is some images of girl running with a smartwatch. So here is the image, and finally here is the image of cat watching YouTube videos. So what I actually typed, so I get the image almost related to the keyword. So overall the Gemini AI tool is a really good option to generate unlimited number of AI images for free of cost. And let me know what keyword you are like to search to generate AI images. Let me know that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video guys.